So the question is, how do you do the writing assignment? You're going to have a writing assignment in your Unit 5, which is the second semester part of the course. When that comes up, of course, by then, hopefully you are totally flowing well in the course. So you'll open your course, FVA Spanish 3. It may say something different. This is my example course. And then you click on the plans, the planner, and you will look down, whatever the assignment is. Here I've created a sample assignment so that you can see, so I can make this video. You'll have the instructions for the week, like I have here, then, from when to when, what you have to do that week. So with those instructions, you'll have this about completing the writing assignment and resources. So you'll look over here, resources. So you'll look over here and you'll click on the link, which will take you to the assignment. Once you're in the assignment, let's see, I'm going to delete that. Once you're in the assignment, you'll see the assignment here. You'll see the instructions. So it says, on your way out of class on the first day of school, you'll strike up a conversation, blah, blah, blah. Then write this out here in dialogue format. I'll have instructions in there of how I want you to write it. I don't want anything long. I just need about 5 sentences. I want to see that you are on top of the grammar points that you've learned so far in the course. I want to see those demonstrated in the writing. I don't want you doing things that you're not able to do. Don't be putting, subjunctive, past subjunctive in there. If we haven't talked about that, I don't want you using complex grammar systems that we haven't even covered, because then that makes me kind of suspicious. So just show me that you are good with what we've done up to that point. All right, so you click and it will be checked for plagiarism, so don't just copy paste something from the internet. So you'll click on answer assignment. And then in this box, you'll type your answer. So here you type your answer. Once you're done with your answer, I'd rather you didn't, excuse me, I'd rather you didn't attach files. I want the answer right here. If you're afraid some internet glitch might happen and you'll lose everything you've typed, maybe type it in a Word document and then copy it, paste it over into this square. But I want it in this square. I do not want an attached document. Then you scroll down when you're done and you hit submit. Once you hit submit, I will be able to see it. It says it's not corrected, so I will go in and I'll correct the writing assignments, and then you will get, I think, notification, and you can go back in and see what I've done with the corrections. All right, and that pretty much is it.